Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Kautilya Law Academy. My name is Grishma. As we know, many of our candidates have qualified 32nd Bihar Judiciary. And today, we have Ms. Nimisha Priyadarshi, who has qualified Bihar Judiciary with rank 15 and that too with first attempt. Thank you ma'am for being here and heartiest congratulations for such great achievement. How are you feeling ma'am?
First of all, thank you so much for inviting me here. I'm very excited to be a part of this and also for the journey ahead. So thank you so much.
So ma'am, tell us about your educational background. What was your schooling and how were you brought up?
Okay, so my school education was from Lucknow. Since my father is in a government job, so he was posted in Lucknow at that time. Then I went on to pursue my BLLB from National Law University, Patiala in the year 2016 to 2021. Then after a gap of 1 year, I went to pursue my Masters in Law from National Law School, Bangalore in the year 2023 to 2024.
So ma'am, you did your LLM from NLU Bangalore.
Right.
So what inspired you to become a judge? Like what drove you to pursue judiciary in the first place?
So I made up my mind to pursue judiciary in my third year of my college. One of the things that motivated me was my parents. Having been brought up in a family of civil servants, being in public service was one of my dreams, and I also developed a passion for law. So combined with my liking for law and to serve public, judiciary was a very ideal option for me, which is why I wanted to pursue it.
Okay, ma'am. So your parents were your inspiration.
Absolutely.
So ma'am, coming to the most important question, I will be asking you what was your preparation strategy? Starting with prelims, what was your strategy in prelims, ma'am?
Okay, so in prelims, paper is divided into two parts, law and GK. For law, I was following the guidance of SIR and I also did my coaching in 2023 from Raul's IS, but that was my legal foundation. For very targeted Bihar aspect, I joined the Kautilya Law Academy, initially for mock test series and then followed by personal guidance of SIR. So one of my strategies were firstly focusing on BEAR Act, because BEAR Act is the Bible of preliminaries since direct questions are asked. Secondly, with our 32nd judicial services, even practical questions were also asked. So for that, legal foundation and your personal notes and class notes are very important. So second aspect was that. And thirdly, since preliminary exams contain a very wide range of law subjects, my focus was to go through previous year question papers and to prioritize those subjects which cover major parts of question paper. With respect to GK and GS, that covered the second part of the paper. I relied on test series and also I was in constant touch of Manmohan sir, so guided me through it.
Okay, so being in contact with our coaching helped you streamline and more organized get with your preparation.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, ma'am. So coming to your mains exam, ma'am, what were your optionals? Because in Bihar Judiciary, many students get confused as far as optionals are concerned. Like कौन से subjects लेना है, किस में ज़्यादा marks आएंगे, ये ले नहीं ले. So what was your criteria to select?
So my optionals were firstly constitutional and administrative law, secondly family law, and thirdly contract and torts. One of the reasons why I chose these optionals was because I was genuinely interested in all these subjects and I was confident that I will be able to sail through the preparation stage and would be able to write better answers in all these subjects. So for all the judicial aspirants who are aiming for Bihar Judicial Services, my only advice while choosing the optionals is the fact that you need to be very confident on your ability to have that optionals throughout that journey. If you're not sure about a subject or if you're not very confident or if you do not have any major interest, then my suggestion would be to avoid taking it. because your optionals are going to stick to you for the rest of your journey for your preparation.
So your main criteria was interest and confidence.
Right.
Okay, ma'am. So, coming to your mains, you relied on a lot of test series from our coaching as well, right? So, it was one of the most important areas as far as preparation is concerned.
Right. I mean, I personally believe that test series form a major portion of your preparation stage for three reasons. Firstly, time management. Secondly, you are able to analyze how to write comprehensive answers. And thirdly, the presentation aspect of answers also matters to fetch more marks. So, all these three aspects are very essential from the point of view of answer writing. And I think that can only be covered by mock test series.
Definitely, ma'am. So, coming to the last and most interesting as well as challenging part of this exam, the interview. What was your interview strategy, ma'am?
Okay. So for interview, I firmly believe that you need to stay calm as much as you can. And secondly, you need to be mindful and conscious of what you're going to say and how you're going to present yourself. So for that, based on sir's recommendation, I used to practice meditation daily. That kept me focused and centered. Secondly, the fact that how you are able to convey your answers to the board is also very important. So for that, I used to attend mock classes daily that was held in the coaching center.
तो आपने कोचिंग में बहुत प्रैक्टिस की?
जी, मैंने बहुत प्रैक्टिस किया, उससे मेरा बोलने का तरीका, बोलने का लहजा, ये सब काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट उस पर आया और प्लस मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस भी मिला कि हाँ मैं वहाँ जाके बोल सकती हूँ. प्लस मॉक इंटरव्यूज भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं जो मैंने रेगुलरली दिया.
Yes, ma'am. So tell us about your special day. How was your interview? कुछ interesting, something किस तरीके के questions पूछे गए? Tell us about your experience.
So when I went inside the boardroom, the board members were very friendly and cooperating. They made sure that I was very comfortable. So there was nothing to be stressed about in the interview day because they were very relaxed. With respect to questions, firstly, they asked my educational qualification. Then they moved on to why I chose judiciary and law. Then there were questions from CPC, Limitation Act, and also from other areas which are not per se in the syllabus of Bihar, but they are nonetheless essential. For example, the Indian Penal Code and the new criminal acts.
So we have to widen our study, like limitation, jurisprudence, सारे subjects की knowledge होनी चाहिए interview के time.
बिल्कुल. मेंस एंड प्रीलिम्स में आपको रिस्ट्रिक्टेड रहना है, बट इंटरव्यू में थोड़ा स्कोप बढ़ जाता है. सो यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन दैट. एंड one of the very interesting things that happened to me on the interview was when I was about to leave the room, one of the panel members asked me if I know Hindi or not. And then they asked me to recite a poem in Hindi on Bal Ras. So I recited the entire poem on Machli Jal ki Rani hai, Jeevan uska pani hai. So I think the reason that apart from checking my legal knowledge, they were also checking my presence of mind and spontaneity. So for all the judicial aspirants, my humble advice would be to live in the moment and to enjoy the interview stage, because you get to interact with such dignitaries, and that is one of the great opportunities that come your way.
Definitely, ma'am. तो ये कह सकते हैं कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा mindful थी उस time and you were very present at that moment.
Right.
Okay, ma'am. So, is there any message which you want to give to our students who dream of becoming judge one day? Because this entire preparation is so emotionally and physically draining. So, is there anything which you want to say?
There are two things that I want to say. Firstly, one must believe in oneself. And secondly, there is no substitute for hard work and consistency. You need to believe in these two things. Believe in yourself and also believe in the fact that your home is where your heart is. So just go away with positivity, enjoy the process, enjoy any legal knowledge that comes your way. It's a very enriching journey and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it.
Thank you, ma'am. It was wonderful having you here. and your time and your insights has truly been valuable, and I am sure that it will inspire every students to get aligned to their goal. Finally, to our dearest subscribers, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.
Thank you.